Hello and welcome to this new video. This time the challenge by Omid number 111. It's a super easy one. So let's jump right in to the challenge. So here we have the challenge. We should extract the dates where the sales for the date is larger than the sales for the previous date. So I will first get the arguments in. Yes, sorry. Yes, yes, sales. So now I determine the unique dates. Unique dates gives you this list here, so it's not formatted as date. So now there are dates. Then I will map u lambda a and filter now all the sales for every date that is equal to the date we map therein. Sum all of this up because you can't filter this only there, so you would get this list here, but it doesn't make sense. We want to sum them. So here we have our results, and now, so this is like, how could we name it? T for total. And now if T is smaller than drop from T on row, so see here with the true, there you have, sorry, oh no, so this is T, and now I need to look if, oh yeah, this was okay. So T is smaller than drop from T1. Also drop the last row. Yeah, this is right. And then I need to filter, drop now from unique dates the first date, because you can't have more than the previous day at the first date. And you get the list as it should be. Now, I also saw the solution by Rick Rothstein. He's a super duper MVP. I think he does Excel longer than I'm alive. So, and he came up with a solution that's basically the same, but instead of using this lambda function, which could be scary, used SumFS. Sum range is S, criteria range is D, and criteria is U. And this will also work because SumIfS, the SumIfS function will also split arrays. I never thought about this, but you can say you can make it easier than you probably would think. So here, these are probably a few things I took away from this challenge. So thank you for your attention. I hope to see you with the next challenge.